There are lot of JavaScript playlists on YouTube. So why I am making this playlist? Because I heard it is the complaint of the various developers that the teachers are on YouTube are not teaching in technical depths. There is lesser technical depths, and the question asked in the interviews are not that straightforward. So we will be diving deeper inside the concepts, and I will teach you a manner where you are not confused about the complicated code. And the benefits of this playlist are multitude. All the bugs that arrives in your code due to the lack of fundamental knowledge will vanish from your code. And if you are preparing for an interview, then in some cases you will find that you know even better than the interviewer. And i I make sure you that if you are a beginner or an advanced player, you will advanced developer, you will not get any better content than this playlist. So without wasting time, let's get started.